Friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Khan92. Today I am going to make a video for you about this thermostat because we do not have any digital thermostat in window ACs. So from this video you will know how much temperature, room temperature is coming on number 6. Let us keep it on number 6 first, and then we will see. Just I start my AC now. As you can see, 30 degrees Celsius, before 33 because the room is hot. So now it's decreasing. Once it will reach to the exact temperature, I will show you. I will be back to you in the video. See, our compressor is still running, and our thermostat is on number 6, and it came to 24.9. Once the compressor will cut off, I will show you at that time what's the exact room temperature. Why we are not checking from here? Because it's very cold. This is our supply air, and this is our room return air going from this whole grill. It will suck from here and throw from this way. So we need to check our room temperature here. So this is our room temperature. Once the compressor will come cut off, I will show you the exact temperature at our number 6 cooler temperature of thermostat. Okay, so now our compressor is cut off. You can see here the temperature is 23 degree 23. It means our at the point of 6 our room temperature will go to 23. See, it's going up now because our compressor is cut off. So it means the thermostat number 6, if your thermostat is on number 6, so your room temperature will become to 23. Let's see how much temperature it will start again. It's 23.24 now. Let's wait for it. When the compressor will start, I will tell you. The compressor starts now. It's going up now because our compressor is close now, cut off on 23 at the temperature of 6. So when it will be start back again, now the temperature goes to 25 now. Also it have safety. If compressor is closed before 3 minutes, it will not start because it's for the safety. And also there is overload in the compressor. If the compressor is heat, it will not start. So let's see. It will cut off on 23. When it will be start, I will show you. See, the room temperature goes to 26 degrees Celsius now. It's very hot here now. The time is 5 p.m. Then we will test it on number 9. We have 6, and medium is 6, 7, 8, 7.5, and 9, 10, 11, 10.5, then 12. So total we have from 6 to 12. It's a cooling. This is for the heating side. So still the compressor is not started, so it goes to 27 degree now. So our compressor starts now. You can see after some time it will come down. It's 29.6. It starts at 29.6. It take a long time to start, but it starts now. Cold air is coming back now. So who will put this thermostat now? Who will check before on 6? It come on 23. Now we will check on number 9. More cooling because it's a cooler side. More cooling. So we will put this on number 9 and see how much temperature will come here. Now it's 29. We'll wait for it. Once it will reach, I will show you at that time. See, now our temperature reached 23. Before it was cut off on 23, but our compressor is still running on cooling. So it's on 9. Let's see how much temperature will come in the room, and then we will see how much it will come on number 9. This is number 9. Before we check on 6, came 23 degrees Celsius. Now we will check on number 9. You can see before our temperature on 23 degrees Celsius temperature, our compressor closed on 6 number 6, but now thermostat on number 9, so it goes to 20.4 degrees Celsius, but still it's working, still cooling, because it's on more cool. So we'll see what's the difference between 6 and 9. So we know about our thermostat, how much temperature we want and how much we need to keep on this thermostat for how much cooling we require. So in this video, it's a very important video for all of us to know about this thermostat temperature. I am practically showing you this, how much temperature is calibrated with this thermostat. So in this video I will show you all the temperature settings of this window AC temperature setting. Temperature is now goes down up to 17.12 like this, and our thermostat is on number 9, and on number 6 it came 23 cut off. But now we'll see how much temperature go down and it will get cut off the compressor. Once it will cut off, I will show you. So our compressor cut off, and when it goes 2 times on 16.9, that compressor get cut off. So it came how much difference? It means it's on 17. We will suppose it's 17, 16.9 like this, 17. It cut on 17 on number 9, and it cut on 23 on number 6. It means the difference between both is 6 degree. 6 degree goes down. Now we will check the last. If I am right, here we need should be cut off on 20. So at last we will check on the middle one, 7.5, number 7.5. Then we will go to the result, how much on 1 degree, 1 point it will decrease the temperature. Now it comes to 20.119. Our temperature is on the mid now, so it must be, we hope it will cut off on 20. So let's see on how much temperature it will cut off. I will show you. The compressor is still working, and that's cut now. It means it cuts on 20. It came down, but it cuts on 20. So what we get on 6, it cuts on 23. On 7.5 it cuts on 20, and on 9 it cuts on 17, the cooler side. So it means if on 6 we will take this 6, 23, after 1 it will, if we put it on 7, it will cut on 21. If we put it on 8, it will cut on 19, and if we put it on 9, it will cut on 17, and if we put it on you can say 10, it will cut on 15, and then after -2 is came 13, so it came here 11 up to 12. If we cut it on 12, it will come to 11 degrees Celsius. So every number have 2 degree difference. From 11 you can, from 6 it's 23, and if you put it on 623, if you put it on here, this point will give you how much it will give you? 25 degree. Yani number 5 will give you 25 degree. After that you can give 2 degree difference to all. It will every point here, yani here, if on number 5 it's 25, and on when you increase 1 degree up to 6, one number up to 6, it will give you 25, 23. Then 1 degree increase, it will give you 21, like this. Each number have 2 degree difference. So that's simple, it's practical. I show you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.